Hey everyone, welcome back to Chubb's Garage. Today we're going to be doing some work on the VB WRX. I got some goodies planned for it. But before we do that, we do have to move the LS swapped gen out of the garage. So let me get a quick video of the startup and just pulling that out for you. All right, don't mind the messy garage. Got 10 mil, need and I got a one right here, blue handles flathead screwdriver. Yep, just walked into that. Step one, gotta remove these 10mm bolts. Let's see, another one right there. Put these in my pocket for now. I got some pop clips, flathead screwdriver, one. That one does not want to come off. Oh, because of the rubber, maybe. Again, there we go. I think these you just like that. Got one more right here. Those in my pocket. Over that. We can go up with the car. Right there. So I can do it from the backside. Make my light on. So everyone says these are push on theirs, but mine aren't push. It says they're push, but they're not. Mine are not push. Again, pocket for safekeeping. The light again. It might be way too close. I don't know. First time using this GoPro. All right. So I'm pretty sure it's going to be these. One. Two. Three. 2, 3. Okay. Probably help if I went a little bit higher up at the lift. So don't need to do that one like you said. I have to do this one. By him, I am now referring to, I forgot his name, but the younger kid on Import Image Racing. There's the center point. Do these come off just by spinning? Oh, they do. Or you can put a screwdriver in it. That's cool. That one. A lot of gunk. A lot of gunk. Car's only got 1,000 miles. A lot of gunk. A lot of highway driving. Using the world's smallest screwdriver too probably doesn't really help. That one. I don't know why sometimes I don't want to come out. Maybe there's just debris. Push it back up. Try it again. What's we got going on in here? We're good. It's always scary. My God, didn't go in the oil. Boom. Boom. This one is the one that's giving us problems. Get a bigger screwdriver. So far, everything has gone in my pocket. Phillips, and put that back. Phillip, don't even know him. I know I'm stupid. Too big. Never heard that before. I gotta move. Actually, that chair is gonna come in handy for the bumper, so not gonna move that. All right. Watch, I'm gonna have to take this one out. I'll be so mad, but I think I do. There you go. Just need a little more leverage. Did I miss one? I think I'm good. I think I'm good. Right? Yeah, that's all bumper related. Something just dripped on me. That was disgusting. Right. Alright. This chair that I keep tripping over will come in handy in holding the bumper. And now here comes the scary part. They say just, oh wow, that is so much easier than my Hyundai. Oh my God, my Hyundai, you have to like tie a rope around a tree and pull. Not really, but Can you grab the other side of that bumper for me? I think I got it. Of course, I don't think I got everything. Now that I think about it, I think I'm missing one. Hold on, let me look. Oh, I did. I forgot one. Look at that. Future past me was looking out for future me.
That's good. You put it right on top of the chair?
Yep, right on top of the chair. No, just like that. All right, perfect. I'll have to edit that out of the video.
What's that?
I'll have to edit that out of the video.
Yeah, right.
Little... All right, so I think all you do is, oh wait, no, there is a push pin right here. Get my screwdriver. I'm not putting that one in the pocket like all the other ones. And I think all you do is you just They make it look so easy on the other videos. Just don't want to break these. That's for the grill. Do these come out? Do these bend? I don't know if the part on the bumper bends. It might, but... Alright, sorry for not recording that part. I needed 2 hands and the GoPro was getting in the way. But in the kit, you're going to get all the hardware. You're going to get a couple pop clips right here. You're going to get a screw, and then you're going to get another screw that goes in down here. Don't forget to reinstall that clip right there. Same thing on the other side. Clip there. Screw, clip, clip. Screw, screw. Fitment is okay. Could be a lot better. Alright, so per usual, I got excited and I didn't record the rest, but to install the bumper, it's literally the opposite. Definitely helps if you have another friend, because some of my push clips on the bottom do not line up, and I have 2 left over. But if you don't have any hardware left over, you're not doing it right. I installed the Noble Sports Grille with a color matched emblem. I did the JDM fog light with the daytime running lights. The kit also comes with a relay, which goes into here. It'll be the 1, 2, 3, fourth one down right here on the left. I'm going to pull the car forward now and do the inside. There's a part under the dash, and then on the dash I have to take off the instrument panel to add the fog light switch. All right, so to make this easier, you pull this off. There's a screw right there. If I can get my fat finger. This one. This whole thing will pull down. Before it pulls down over here though, you're gonna get your hand back here and you're gonna pop this plastic out, or you can get a plastic pry tool and get behind it. This will pull out. There's some clips back here, and then you put your fog light bezel in. So now, yeah, excuse the mess by the way. I work construction, so constantly get dirty work boots all over the place. So under the dash, let me see if I can get up under here. There's gonna be this plug. So I can just pull this down. Is it this plug? I think it's this plug. Yes, it's gonna be this plug. And a lot of people cut and splice it, but I got this from SMY, and apparently it just plugs right in and tucks away, so I'm gonna try doing that now. So we can get my flashlight to stay and help me and record at the same time.
Quiz?
What's up, buddy?
What are you doing?
Trying to plug this in.
Does it have a plug on the other? Is it like two things you just plug in?
It's supposed to be. Of course I can't get to. I got that one. And the other one plugs onto the other side. Of course.
You almost got it.
Almost.
Where's this wind come from?
Alright, so once you get that plugged in, literally just tuck it up out of the way somewhere. Of course, they said, oh, it won't come off. Guess what? They lied to me. It came off. Let me see if I can get it back on.